Every textile journey begins where the fiber grows. Quality is decided long before the factory doors. Machines meet nature at the moment of harvest. Precision harvesting protects the fiber's integrity. Air and motion guide every fiber forward.
Harvested fiber gathers for its next journey.
Human judgment guides industrial scale.
Volume is shaped without harming the fiber. Each module holds thousands of future textiles. From field to facility, movement begins.
Distance separates farms from factories.
The raw fiber leaves the land behind.
Logistics begin at the edge of the field.
Transport connects agriculture to industry.
The textile process now moves beyond the farm.